Okay, for this video, we will make showing how to calibrate the punch drill working depth. Because for the punch drill, it controlled by the air cylinder. So for the working depth adjustment by this stop bar, not by the control. Okay. Firstly, we will make a check and see that this punch drill the depth is okay or not. We can press it down, or we can shut down the air supply. Okay, you can see here the punch drill already touch the fill, and here still have some space, traveling space. Right? That means the cutting depth setup is okay. Touch the tabletop, and here still has some space, right? Travel space. Yeah, that means working depth may be okay. We can make a test, so we can let the punch drill come down and see whether it can get the hole or not. Yeah, now we will make a test punch and see whether the hole can be good or not. Okay, we still select adjust button and press adjust to button. Yeah, we can see here has a hole. We can press it. So that means maybe we can let the punch hole come down little to make the hole open smoothly. Okay, now we can using this one. Yeah, we can rotate the stop bar and let it come up a little. Yeah, and then we lock it. Okay, we do another test. Still press the hole. Now it is okay, right? It can get the hole smoothly. Yes. So for this working depth for the punch drill is okay.